Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. Making this a small video, as I said in my last video, which was day before yesterday on the 20th, 19th or 20th, or maybe yesterday, I forgot. Anyway, so this is the chart I showed, and I made a video about this one, that this is a pound Aussie 20-minute chart. It's making probably a possible long setup. This is how the setup is, and I showed an example, the previous trade, that it came down into the wave and then bounced, right? So I'm expecting that again. And the other scenario was that it will probably just go through the wave without giving me any long setup, and then maybe switch the side. It depends on the news. So what happened is the news came out, and the news came out against my analysis and against my direction, and this thing went down all the way big time. How? Let me show it to you. So this is what it is here. You see this dip and then going there, and it was coming down here. But notice that I never had a long opportunity here, never had a reversal candle, and never had a blue candle, which will give me, like for example, here it comes here and then reversal candle and couple of blue candles, and that's where I usually open a trade. But I never had that opportunity, and I saw the news was against me. Pound started getting weaker big time, so there's no way in the world that I would go long. So I just said, okay, let it go. Okay, and I went to do other things and blah blah blah. And then what happened? You just let the dust settle down, and then you analyze that what's happening. So now you see that it dropped and it became bearish. It is below this red line. If the whole wave is down, and then price going into the wave again as a retracement, only to drop more. And that's where I opened the trade here, and this is my trade right there. Okay, I recorded it. This is my entry here, sell order right there. You can see the line, and then I moved the sell here, the price all the way down here, 185 pip. This is how this system is all about. That it saves you, not only that you make if you're right, you make a lot of pippage, but if you're wrong, it saves you basically. I was expecting a long, but I never get a chance. This system just stopped me going long, and then even though initially I missed almost 100, 150, 200 pip, but then again it dropped even more further to the downside, giving me 185 pip down here from there to here, right? So this is how perfect the system is. Now pound Aussie, it went down because of Aussie strength too, but there was a news about the pound, and pound started getting weaker. So what I do, I also watch the indexes. You know that, right? So pound index, yen index, this, that, all individual currency indexes. And if the indexes start dropping, individual currencies start dropping, it gets weaker, and all the pairs where that currency is on the left-hand side will be dropping. For example, pound Aussie as well as pound USD will drop, and pound yen will drop, right? So what I do is, what I did was I was watching pound yen, and pound yen is this. At the same time, the pound yen came below the wave and went there same way, exactly the same way, and this is my entry right here. You can see the sell order here, SL moved to here, TP was all the way down there, and 180 pip till here. So this is just two trades, simple as that. Okay, and I was saved by my system, that taking from a wrong entry, and look at the amount of pippage that you got. Simple as that. So these are the one that I just wanted to show you, that even if I'm wrong, but for the right reason. Okay, so there is basically nothing wrong in the system. You are always right. Okay, so now and then pound yen. The reason pound yen I was watching this one and not any other pair is because of the pound index. Yen index I was watching as well. This is a chart I made, and I gave it to my subscriber on the 13th. That yen index is gonna drop and yen is gonna get a strong stand. If this drop below 54.95, then all yen pairs will be dropping, and then later on I made this chart on the 15th. You can see here that I made this harmonic pattern, saying that, yeah, okay, this is the target here. And for now, if you see that where we are now is this. So it start dropping, and it drops a little bit, and it makes a big difference in pairs, by the way. Yen index has this characteristic. So you can go and take a look. All yen pairs, all they all dropped. Let me just quickly show you, if I can, that how all yen pairs drop because of this little move in yen index. So if you can watch it, and if you catch the direction, that you literally have like a pick and choose situation where all the pairs are dropping, and you just have to pick which one you want to trade, which are your favorite pairs. So in my case, I usually go by the number one yen pair is the pound yen, and then the other one like Aussie yen. And now see CAD yen, look at the CAD yen, and here euro yen, look at the euro yen drop. Pound yen, look at the pound yen drop, which I caught, right? Aussie yen, I still have it short, and it didn't move much, but yeah, still slowly coming down. CAD yen I showed you, and New Zealand yen also drops. Like I said, all yen pair will be dropping, and it all did. Okay, USD yen also, I don't know where it is here. I can't see it here. I have a monthly chart here. Maybe I can just switch 1 hour and show you that how USD yen came down, right? And still, I have a pending order here, and I think it just got filled. I put a pending order, and it just got filled. Let's see what happened. It was a nice 20-minute setup. Let me just show you how the setup was and how it looks like. It looks like this, and it just got filled. You just saw it, right? So it was a big drop, move up, and then continue to the downside. And this is the one I said the setup is getting ready. I will be shorting here after having a red candle, which I got one. And basically I was doing I was teaching someone on Skype, so I just put a pending order there, and it got filled, I guess, right? Yeah, so it got filled. All right, so I'll be just moving my SL slowly, and then right with this thing. So this is how the system is, and this is how it works. So hope you liked it. I just wanted to show you guys, and if you want to be a part of it and learn how to do this, just go on my website, myforestmagicwave.com, and subscribe and start trading. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Come on, let's go.